Now here's another thing. Remember I said this was an exhaust duct, okay? It goes down in there. That goes down to the 2 bathrooms, I'm sure. There's a little ceiling in there. And there's 2 exhaust fans. One for one bathroom, one for another, and that's what that's for. That does not have to be wrapped with insulation, and there's you don't have to wrap around the Y's or anything like that. And that's what that pipe's for. And that one is fine. Okay, so I'm about ready to get out of here. That pretty much completes my inspection for this area. I know the different things I need to do. When I get out of here, I'm going to make a quick list before I forget the different items. And then probably before I go to the hardware store, before I go to Home Depot, my favorite hardware store, box store, I will go underneath the house in my other crawl area. I'll make a video of that for you. And I have a feeling I'm going to be adding to my list of missing insulation and different little things that I have to do down there too. So I might as well do that before I go to the store. That way I can get it all done in one go. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Hope to see you then. Well, if you were with me the other day, I went underneath the house in one part of the house, and now I'm going underneath another section. This section is really super big, and so I've got plenty of extension cords here. I've got my trouble light here. I've got my gloves on, my mask on, or my goggles on. I got a hat on. I've got a long sleeve crummy sweatshirt on, crummy pants, crummy shoes, my knee pad, my knee brace on, my back support, lumbar support on. I'm all ready to go. I got my extension, my tape measure. I've got my cell phone here for some tunes if I want, or an extra light. I can write down my notes on there. My battery's all charged. And I'm about ready to go down in here. That's something you want to see. Stick around, and there'll be plenty of things I can show you for you to check underneath your house.